Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make kyuri no shio kombu ae. It's another very easy vegetable side using cucumber. It's so easy that you can whip up in 5 minutes. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this kyuri no shio kombu ae, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cucumbers, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 10 grams of Shio Kombu or salted Kombu seaweed, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, half a teaspoon of salt, and a little bit of garlic paste. It's really easy and quick, so don't miss a thing. Let's cut the cucumbers. Cut both ends off. And using the side of the knife, smash the cucumbers. Then tear it into bite-sized pieces and put in a bowl. By smashing and tearing it, instead of cutting with a knife, the surface of the cucumber becomes rough and the seasoning stays well on the cucumber. Now, let's put the rest of the ingredients. Sesame oil, garlic paste, Shio Kombu or salted Kombu seaweed, salt, and sesame seeds. Give it a toss. And it's done. Super easy. Let's serve in the bowl. And kyuri no shio kombu ae is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's so refreshing. The Kombu seaweed is full of umami, so naturally the dish is so flavorful and delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Kyuri no shio kombu ae is a side, so it goes here. And how about jagaimo no tarutaru sauce for the other side? Plain rice here, enoki miso soup here. Anything you like for the main, but I think I want to have tebasaki no pirikarage. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.